up, y'all? Know I look crazy. Do not judge me, okay? Because today is a self-care day. Dropped CJ off at school, and now I'm in the car on my way to handle a little business. But I ain't had my coffee yet. We're going to pick up some coffee. Let's go. So I'm gonna get my eyebrows done and my lashes done today. Hopefully my toes. Next week I get my nails done, and this week I have to do my hair. Oh, go ahead. Thank you. It is 12:19, Friday to be exact. I have been out looking for a dress, okay? I have to find a particular dress. I've been looking. My man said I can find a dress in Vegas, y'all, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to find it in Vegas. So, I mean, let me not say that. I'm gonna be able to find it in Vegas. I can find anything. I'm in a car in the city shopping. I need to get some makeup from Ulta. And y'all, this girl I follow, her name is Tony. I cannot remember her last name, but she came out with some blushes for the dark skinned girlies with Tower28 at Ulta. Y'all know I gotta go pick it up. I hope it's in store, so come with me, okay? I only got 10% left on this DJI, so we're gonna get what we can. And I need some more foundation and some concealer, y'all, because I need to be fine. We go to Vegas next Thursday. Oh my god! I dress here, but hopefully we do. But there's an Ulta pull back, like a cute bun. I'll get my toes done tomorrow. My nails to Ulta, that's why I parked there. But okay, so I'm gonna check out what they have at Windsor for some. On 9%, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get back on here one day. But here I am in line. Thank you. So I have to. Brush, blush, that new blush that they came. Y'all, I done did so much since I was last time on here. Hey, found no dress. I got that little thing from Sephora. Didn't find the blush from Sephora. Drove downtown, rode around for no reason. Went all the way back to the east side. I went to Macomb Mall. I think I did get a little bit in there. Then I picked up CJ, dropped him off to my mom, which is his grandma, all the way at 58 minutes away from home. Then I just drove 23 minutes to a more Mason's Beauty Experience to get my brows done. And I have a lash appointment at 5:30, and it's so I should be able to walk in and get them. Hi. Okay, brows check. Brows are done. They are looking great. But y'all, today all day I was anticipating on getting my lashes done. I knew I had a lash appointment today. Why my lash appointment ain't to July 28th? Which I'm happy about, but I rode all the way on this side of town. Could have been at home, been relaxing, been with my man. It's Friday. But since I'm on this side of town, y'all, I found another Sephora because I am invested and dedicated to finding exactly. Let me scoot up a little bit. Exactly what I need. Let me scoot up because I was in the car, y'all, and I'm about to scoot up for this lady. Let's spend some money. The girls do the like to make it pop a little. To go pry back a little bit.
Do your full foundation?
Yeah. No, I don't like that one. Are you doing any like colored powders? What the color?
Because if we went your matte, quite like that undertone.
Above it usually is going to Vegas, so I just want some.
Perfect.
Like it would work, you know. So that's why I'm gonna order the one online. 15.
If you don't like it, return.
All this stuff. But which is like the best one? Will it be dark though? I'm just a girl. Let's get out of here because I'm just a girl.